Hello, everyone. I am really excited to tell you about my August 2021 free card kit in the mail. So this is a new catalog, the July to December mini catalog. We usually refer to it as the holiday catalog. And there is so much in here that is going to catch your eye. But what I wanted to do this month for the card kit is focus on something that's kind of a little hidden gem in this catalog, and that is the Little Delights stamp set on page 59. It's a 12-piece photopolymer stamp set, and you'll see here, let me pull the actual set in, there's a lot of different greetings with some fun fonts. And then there's some images for these different occasions as well. So 12 photopolymer stamps. This stamp set is only $16. So it's a great value for what you're getting here. These are some gorgeous images. And secondly, it's versatile. You can use this one stamp set for birthday. Thank you. You're such a blessing. I mean, you can use that all the time. Halloween, Christmas, there are so many different things that you can use this one stamp set for. So that's why I chose this stamp set to just highlight, like I said, this little hidden gem in the Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog. So let me show you what I created with this and just give you a little bit of information. So how the free card kit in the mail works is that when you do a qualifying order, you get the supplies to make these cards that I'm about to show you for free in the mail from me. And then I send you step-by-step instructions with photos that tell you how to make these cards. The other thing that's cool about this card kit that I designed this month, all that's required is this stamp set, a black ink pad, and a VersaMark ink pad. So that's all you need to complete the cards as shown. Now, to qualify to get these cards for free, you do need to do a $75 order. So you've got a lot of room to order some other things that caught your eye in this new catalog. And remember, with Celebration, with every 50 you order, you get to choose something free out of the Celebration brochure too. Okay, so let's go through each of these cards. So this first one, I used the thank you image here and this floral piece here. Now that floral piece is just done with VersaMark on the background of the actual card base, and then also this layer. And then the thank you on here, this is some designer paper, some gold foil paper, and of course some ribbon. So they're all really quick, creative cards, but there's something fun and interesting about each of them. So that's the first one. The second one uses birthday wishes and the little birthday hat. Again, the birthday hat is just done with the VersaMark ink on the Flirty Flamingo, and then the black ink to do the greeting. A little bit of designer paper. This is actually from the Halloween package of designer paper here in this catalog. Ribbon and these little self-adhesive star sequins. They're a little bit iridescent, which is fun with this purple color. It really picks up that color. Okay, the next one, I used You're Such a Blessing and then this leaf image up here. I did VersaMark ink on the Sahara Sand card base as well as this layer of Calypso Coral. So that one VersaMark ink pad does tone on tone regardless of what color it's on. A little bit of designer paper and some embellishments on this one. This is a cute little Halloween card. You've got an embossed layer here, VersaMark with the bat image there, trick or treat, designer paper in these spots, and then another one of those self-adhesive star sequins. That's a lot of S's in a row. And then finally, the Merry Christmas card. I used the Merry Christmas greeting here. I did not use the ornament or a little bulb just because I felt like it didn't fit with the design of this, but you could certainly use that on your envelope or on the inside of the card. This has a lot going on and I love this card. So we've got a fun stitched label. We've got some designer paper on the background, this iridescent snowflake, the celebration paper, this glittery paper that you can get for free with your $50 order, and then some cherry cobbler rhinestones on there too. So a simple card, but yet there's a lot going on with that one. So again, you do a $75 order this month using my host code, you will get a free celebration item for every $50 that you order. You will get supplies to do these 5 cards. Usually my card kits are only 4. This month you get a bonus card. So you get supplies to do these 5 cards in the mail. And it's so simple because you just need the Little Delight stamp set, a black ink pad, and a VersaMark ink pad. You can get up to that $75 ordering any other products that you see in this catalog, in the annual catalog, whatever you want. But to complete these as shown in the card kit, it's just the stamp set, black ink, and VersaMark ink. And look at these colors and occasions, all from this one Little Delights. So that is my super find treasure, hidden treasure gem in this year's July to December holiday mini catalog, Little Delights. So take a look at that. I'll put a link here so that you can go ahead and shop, and you'll get this free card kit in the mail from me soon. Thanks so much for watching.